going on, guys? So today we're actually not working on the 56. Whoa! We're gonna do some truck work. Now Mur, who's actually a pretty cool guy, he's gonna let me use his garage and actually help me out. It's actually a really nice day out today. Just let the truck warm up a little bit, but I got a brand new window for it. So we're gonna try and slam that in at his place, in his garage. And one of you guys actually sent me a bug deflector thing. Let's see if maybe we can get that on there. Gotta figure out how I'm gonna get it over there without smashing it. So I'm gonna move all these old junk tires and hopefully drive very gingerly, because I would hate to crack my brand new glass. I've never done a square body windshield before, but I think it should be okay. I think you just kind of pull out this little locking ring or whatever and kind of go from there. So we'll see how it goes. Oh, does this one not have a locking ring? Oh, I might have got the wrong gasket. Guess we'll see what happens there. Or you call me an idiot, it does. Just got one. Alright. See you at Mur's. Well, we're very slowly cruising over to Mur's because you can see that. I just have the glass in the back with a bunch of dead tires and stuff sitting on cardboard. No straps needed. You know, you guys always say I should move out of town and get far away and all that and have all sorts of room, and you're right, but then I'd have to strap stuff down. I like going to see Mur, he's close. Works out pretty good. Hopefully he'll make it and doesn't smash that glass all to pieces. Alright, we made her. Let's pull that. Hopefully the glass is still in good shape. Oh. Gentle, gentle. Nice having a full-size garage, eh? There's this junky Volvo 123 ever noticed I had in the community page there, but maybe we'll do a little walk around of that. But he's got the TV on. We can't get YouTube demonetized. We struggled pretty good at it, so we shut the time lapse off, but window came out okay. So we have the rubber in, which is how the internet says to do it, which was a real pain to get in. Still got gaps in all the corners, so we're hoping that when the window goes in, it'll kind of force it around, but it is around the pinch weld. Yeah, so I guess we'll set the laps up and hopefully put the window in, and then I guess just kind of peel it the whole way around. Once it's in, the little lock strip will go in, and then it'll be less cracked window. Looking back at it, we should have left the original rubber in because it actually didn't come out. We should have peeled the window out, left the rubber, and just put it all back together. But next time, that's what we'll do. we got the glass in. I actually put this bug deflector on. I begged Mur, I didn't want to get on the hood. He forced me into it. He said he'd bodywork it though real nice, like. The glass in, it's dirty as hell. Mur's obsessed with painting the wiper arms and the center clip for the window. It was, well, you guys saw how hard it fought. That, it was probably an hour getting that lock strip in or something like that. So yeah, I gotta clean all this silicone spray off. But we got it. I think all we got left is wipers. I actually got that stereo, all those speakers I was talking about. I didn't bring them, but I should have. Maybe I'll do that at home. It's actually nice out today. Look at that, we can see right through. Oh, I need do you have a rear view mirror, a spare one? Like a Volvo one or something? I can just glue on there. This thing didn't come with one.
I don't think I do.
We'll check the archives. Canadian Tire had them. Okay, that's where we're gonna leave it. He's gonna polish the whole truck, just get those dents and stuff out. And there you go, broken glass garbage. Last time we did glass, the next day I woke up to a crack right down the center. So tomorrow morning will be the actual test, eh?
Guarantee's over.
All right. Well, I'll see you guys at home. All right, I just got home. I don't know what the heck's going on. It's like 4 o'clock and it's just dark as hell out already. God, does that truck look good, eh? Little Mr. T chain and its sweet new bug deflector. Look how clean that glass is. I just got tracked on a rear view mirror. Anyways, it's nice out, so I want to enjoy the day as much as I can. I got a few things. I bought a all-in-one universal washer fluid thing, so hopefully that works. It's cheap on Amazon. I also bought this. It's like a little plug-in thing. There's no radio in it, so I think I'm just gonna put it in the radio hole. Just 12-volt switch power. It's got a little toggle on and off, and it's just got a 12-volt, I think a cigarette lighter style thing, and some USB. And then it's got a little voltmeter, which is kind of irrelevant because the truck does have one, but I want this so I can plug my phone in or whatever I want to do in that truck. I also need some cup holders. This is the other thing I bought. On Amazon said it was Bluetooth, so I'm hoping it still is. They're self-contained speakers, so it's like meant for like a boat or a side-by-side or something like that. So it's just 2 speakers. You hook it up to this little magic box. Same thing, just takes 12 volts. And it's supposed to be Bluetooth, so you can just hook your phone up to it and play your jams or whatever you want to do through there. You know, I was going to put a radio in the thing, but I never listen to radio. I always just have my phone hooked up. And I wanted to do something like this for a long time, so I figured I'd try that out and put her in there. So, I mean, a couple of self-tappers. Put it in, run 12 volts to it. And I think we're done on that. So that's what I'm going to try and get done tonight real quick and be done with this truck. Well guys, I've worked myself into the dark as per usual. Hopefully it'll show a little bit at least. Got the washer fluid tank in. I got the light in there because I was working in the dark, but let's just see. You can hear it. So it's working, which is pretty sweet. And I got the little this stupid little panel thing in. So it does its little thing there. Turn it on and off. That's bonus. Everything should work now. Plug it all in. I didn't get to the radio yet. Ran out of daylight, and I think I'm going to put these speakers behind the seat. So I do a little scoot around. But unfortunately, I wanted to finish the video today. I just don't think that's possible, so I think tomorrow I'll be back at it. We'll, I mean, all I'm going to do is hook up some speakers. Hopefully that'll go good. We'll do a little walk around the truck one more time and end the video. See you guys tomorrow. What's going on, guys? So it's next day. Today's a bummer. So yesterday, when I went in, it was all dark. I went to go move the truck, and it didn't start. Starter was dead again, and so I thought to myself, future Dan will handle that. Well, current Dan is now working in the snow, if you can see all that. So yesterday it was 18 Celsius, today it's -2 and snowing. I did break down, I bought a brand new starter. because I am tired of messing around with this junk. So we'll put that on there. Oh, that's about a cheapy one. I maybe should have got like a high torque mini starter, but whatever. I filled up the wash fluid, so that does work. And that's all I've done. Oh, I did buy a few things. I grabbed a my original plan. So I got just a generic rear view mirror, because this one didn't have one, and now it's a brand new window, so I gotta do that. It recommends doing it in like 10 to 25 degree weather, but I'm thinking inside the cab, if I just let it warm up, it'll be fine. So get that dialed together, take a load of junk, the garbage, and what else do I gotta do? Oh, those speakers. We'll see what happens there. They're kind of pissing me off too. But that's the plan for today. Unfortunately, I gotta get the truck started first to warm it up. And, well, need a starter to get the truck started. So I'm gonna suffer under the truck, be in the cold, and hopefully you guys come back, it'll be running. All right, we got it running. Oh, geez, got shit in my hair like crazy, but I'm gonna go in the garage and warm up, because it's cold out here. We'll let the truck warm up, blast some heat in here, get it nice and warm. We'll put up this fancy dancy mirror I got. I still gotta put the front drive shaft up. Gonna have to come down and get the starter out. I didn't film it because I was frustrated, let's be honest. I've changed enough starters. And yeah, it's 2 bolts. I put a shim in it so it's not ring. So hopefully you guys will appreciate that every time this thing starts up going forward. So leave it there. I'll be back shortly. Hopefully I'll beat this the weather, because I want to go drop some garbage off. Yeah, we should be golden. Oh yeah, we can just look at this. Look at that ring. Oh, fail. Stupid Amazon. Alright, well I gotta get some, that must be junk or whatever. I'll blow those nozzles out, but that all works. I'm stoked. See you guys when it's a little warmer in here. Alright, we're in the truck. She's warm. So pretty simple. I'm sure a lot of you guys have done this, but to put a mirror on, you just take this little centerpiece out, which you just use your handy dandy Leatherman. You clean this off with a little towelette there. This little stuff, you put 1 drop on it. You goosh it where you want it on the mirror. Make sure this is the right way, inside, upside, whatever you want to do. And hold it there for 30 seconds. Let it sit for a half hour. Then you put the mirror on. So I'm going to goosh that real quick, and then we'll go for a cruise. We got to get some fuel, because this thing drinks fuel like crazy. Throw some garbage out, and I don't know, show off the truck a little bit. I'm stoked. I love this bug deflector. Looks way cool when you're driving, so we'll come back and we'll show that. Well, we're there. The junk's out of it. Had to stop by Mur's. They dog sit during the day. Look at this fine truck. I'm stoked on this thing. So it's basically ready to go in for inspection. Just gotta give it lights once over and everything. The brakes are done, suspension's done, rust repair's done, everything seems to work on it. New windshield, brand new tires. I'm stoked on this thing. If you guys are local and you have any recommendations where to take it, someone who knows what they're doing and all that, you say this truck is all legit, let me know. Leave a comment, send me a message. Otherwise, God, we gotta pick up these barking dogs. But get the dog, a few more errands, we're headed home. That's it for this video. All right, it's dark, we're on our way home, and look at that. You can see the power charging my phone with this little piece of junk. We got the mirror up, we got the attack dog. We actually ended up dressing the same today. I don't know how that worked out, but the Al Borland Special, I guess as it's called. But yeah, so we're just headed home now. We actually just stopped at the bank machine. Frankie, you're in the way. Look at that. 1,000 Canadian dollars. Look how they are. So we stopped by, we had to pick some cash out because I'm going to buy another hot rod. God, it's so dark you can't even see me. You'll have to take my word for it. So that's where we end the video. Guess in the comments what I'm buying, and hopefully it comes through. I guess I haven't paid for it yet, obviously. If you have a recommendation of a shop, where to go to for this pile of junk to get its inspection done, leave a comment for that. Let me know what you think of the truck, as always, if you like the dog. But otherwise, I think that's it for me. That's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Hit the subscribe button, like the video, and see you guys on the next one. Look at that power cord, I love that thing.